Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Masinjeri. So today I'm taking you to Naivasha. We are opening a new quarry, in a machine cut quarry in Naivasha. So I want to take you around, also take you around the quarries that are around so that you can see. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we take this this rough road, and then you can see these houses over here. These are for workers around here. So yeah, we take this road and we head over to where the quarry is, and our first stop was where the cabros and the concrete are made. So they are usually made in this first site here. Yeah, so there are so many quarries around. So this is the second quarry. This is where mining of ballast is done. So this is where the ballast is found in Naivasha, as you can see. So yeah, they have a crusher, and also they have they have low loaders. They have all the machineries that are needed in ballast production. As you can see, this is the third site also for the sand production. So this is where sand is produced, still in Naivasha. This was our third stop, and as you can see, it's a very big quarry. And we also have the cess. That is where the cess is. For those who don't know what cess is where you pay the tax for, like when you buy a lorry of sand, there is a certain amount that you pay to the government. So yeah, so this is me seeing around. As you can see, this is ballast, as you can see, and they have all these machineries that are needed here. They have the rails, they have all these machineries over there.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
So guys, we are at the site. This is where we intend to open a new quarry in Naivasha. As you can see, we had already done clearing, and the machine is already at the site and everything. So we are finalizing so that we can start production of the gray stone machine cut stones. So very soon we will have gray machine cut stones in Naivasha. So if you have been in Naivasha and around areas in Naivasha, Gilgil, and you needed stones, and the quarry that we have here in Nakuru, you see that the distance is longer. Now we got you sorted because we have come near to where you are. So very soon we will be having machine cut stones in Naivasha. Yeah, so this is the machine that we will be using for the production of the machine cut stones, as you can see.
I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started.
The night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky.